What's going on YouTube? I am back with another freaking video, and in today's video we are going to be changing my stock headlights to these. Y'all can tell by the title and everything, but yeah, I saw these and well, these are actually gifted to me, so I'm gonna finally be installing them. Should be pretty easy. We're gonna figure it out here. I pretty much already know what to do, just gotta do it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you watch it all the way through. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that, you know what I'm saying? God is dope. Yes sir.
Every tear from the
So as y'all can see, we got them ugly yellow lights in here. So apparently my previous owner did never change this. So yeah, there's that. But we are gonna make a change of that today. Alright y'all, so if you've seen any of these videos, then you know that what you're supposed to be getting is this right here, that piece. So I'm going to get that in a second, but this is the most problematic area. A lot of people go up under here, but since y'all know I got the wide body kit, I can't just unbuckle that and all that kind of stuff because my flares are on the outside of the bumper. They're not built in. So I've already unscrewed this. This is unscrewed for other reasons because I tried to do this before, but I just couldn't figure it out. So I think I have to unscrew this right here and unplug this hose somehow. So I'm gonna try to figure that out and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I got the airbox out. You just have to unscrew this and just literally pull up on it and it will come out. You're not gonna break it. I felt like I was gonna break it, but I didn't, so yay. All right, so you can clearly see right here is where the bulb goes. So there's the airbox. I know I need to change my filter. Don't come for me in the comments. That's the way it looked when I bought the car. Anyways, so I'm getting ready to try to, oh, okay, yeah, that was simple. All right, then you just take this out, I assume. Yep, there it is. Okay, now the bulb is right there. So you gotta twist this some kind of way. Let me see. Ah, that's so easy. Okay, so now the bulb is out. That's the housing right here. So you take the old housing off, put the new housing on. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's the box whenever you open it. Just a tip my dad gave me: don't put your fingertips on the light because apparently the oil in your fingers can mess up the light. So, yeah. Let's see. I don't think it matters like from left to right which way you go in, but we're gonna unplug this. I'm gonna hook it up, see if it works. All right, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, the moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, it's on! Yeah! So here's the light on. Obviously, y'all not gonna be able to see it clearly because it's light. But yeah, so I'm going to cut this off, plug it in, and then I'll show you how it looks. All right, y'all. Okay, so here's the difference. This one I haven't done, obviously. This one I have done. So it definitely looks brighter, looks more white. So that was actually really easy. I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll show you guys both of them. And then I'm obviously going to give you guys a view on the nighttime. Okay. All right, guys. So here is the final look of the car. The bulbs changed. Looks so much better, so much meaner. So I am so excited to see how it looks at night. Yeah. Hope I got them screwed in right, because they do both They do look kind of different, but you know, we should be good. They look really good. Yeah, so I'll show you guys a clip at night for y'all in like 2 seconds. For me, it's a few hours. So, all right, YouTube, it has been long awaited, and I'm sorry, but here we go. So I know this isn't the best scenario for the lights being shown, but I'm gonna show you guys inside right here, right now. So I do have a strip of tint that stops right here. As you can see, it's dark, then light, dark, light, or whatever. Where's my flash? Anyways, it don't matter. Okay, so these are the normal lights, and as y'all can see, it doesn't look that much brighter. I'm just gonna be honest. It is brighter, but it looks like these parts over here are dark, and then like this part over here is dark. Which you guys will see like whenever I get out of the car why that is. But here are the brights. Here are the regulars. Those are the brights. That's regular. As y'all can see, this light right here works really, really well. It looks really good. But this light doesn't show on camera, but it's more like a halo-ish blue. Like it looks like it's not really shining like it's supposed to. But as y'all can see from here, it looks normal, but it's just not shining the way it's supposed to. This one over here, but to y'all it looks great. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.